Good morning parents, good morning kids. Hope all are doing good and ready for your favorite drawing time. So in this class also I have two new drawings for you with triangle. Hope you all completed your last class drawing work. That's what we saw. We saw Xmas tree and birthday cap. So in today's class we are going to see two more drawings. So what are they is boat and hen. What we are going to see, boat and hen. So before that, parents kindly draw and give them likewise triangle, like upside down triangle. You can draw and give them in one side. So one side you can draw the steps and the other side your kid has to copy that and do on the other side. So now we can start the drawing. So the first drawing we are going to see is boat. We are going to do boat drawing. So the first step, usually we have this triangle only. What shape we are doing? That shape only, the first step. And the second step is you are going to draw a sleeping line inside this triangle. So little up, konjam mela poitu put a sleeping line like this. Then what you should do is rub this one more triangle we got down, no, that one you should rub it off. So this is your second step. So what we did in this triangle, this half space we put a sleeping line and we rub the down portion. So this is your second step. Next, third step. So in third step what you're going to do is same way, put a sleeping line and then rub the down portion. After rubbing, what you should do is put a standing line in the middle. Put a standing line and little gap and one more standing line. So in the middle, what you should do, put a standing line and one small gap and one more standing line and join these two lines with a sleeping line. So this is one step. And next what you should do is put a curve, a small curve this side, small curve and sleeping line. So this is your third step. So what we did in our third step, in the middle we put a standing line and one more standing line, we join and then put a curve and then sleeping line. So this is your third step. Next we'll move on to the fourth step. Again we have a triangle here. Put a sleeping line, then rub off the down portion, then put a standing line in the middle and one more standing line in the middle and then join these two with a small sleeping line. Then what we did, we put a curve and one sleeping line. So it should not touch the down sleeping line, this boat one, only the up, till up you have to come, then put a sleeping line. Then the fourth step what you are going to learn is put a slanting line on the other side. Put a slanting line and join this with a sleeping line. So what we got here, we almost got a boat. So in the fifth step, we'll complete it fully. So triangle is there. Put a sleeping line and rub this. After rubbing what? In the middle, put a standing line and one more standing line and join it with sleeping line. Then what we did? Yes, we drew a curve. Curve should come, like the curve should not come till this point, till half point only you have to bring the curve. Then put a sleeping line and join here. Then on the other side what you should do, put a slanting line and with sleeping line you have to join. So that's it. We got the boat diagram. See how easily we did it. One more time, can we do it here? So I'll do it with my hand itself. Triangle, then what we did, we put a sleeping line inside, then the down portion you should rub it likewise. Then what we did, we put a standing line in the middle and one more standing line, then one sleeping line. So this is we did in the third step. Then what we did in the fourth, again in third step, we put a curve and joined it here itself. See, can you see the difference between these two gaps? Yes. Next what we did in the fourth step, we put a slanting line and join. So what we got here, we got the boat. So on the other side of the page I have drawn the full diagram of the boat here. So one big diagram I have done. So your parents will do like this, and by seeing that you can draw down Like down here you can draw and then color the boat drawn by you. So I'm making it little darker. Yes, we did. And then I'm going to color now the boat with, I'll give brown color down here. So with brown color crayons, I'm coloring the boat. You can choose your own favorite color for coloring. So how you should color? First you have to color the border and then color it inside. Then up what we can give? I'll give which color? I'll give blue color. So take blue color and then color inside this upper portion. Both the sides I'm giving blue color. So parents, you can help them for coloring and doing the drawing work. Then in the middle, I'll give red color. So for this one, I'll give dark red color. See, if you want, you can give outline also with your black color sketch or marker. So I'll give a black color crayon. You can draw. If you give outline, it will look more nice. So while giving outline, you should be careful. Then only your drawing will look good. Yes, we did the boat drawing. See how beautifully it came after giving the outline. So this is how you have to do the boat drawing. In the triangle, you should cut half and rub it off. Then two standing line, join that. One side put a curve and sleeping line. The other side put a slanting line and sleeping line. So it is a very easy method to draw a boat. So next we are going to see how to draw a hen. What we are going to draw? Hen. So what is hen? Hen is a bird. Another bird. So for that, parents kindly draw and give them like straight triangle, not upward down. Straight triangles. 6 triangles you can draw and give them. The first step is usually the triangle which is drawn. So the second step, hen will have eyes, right? So on the top, in the point konja keela, put a circle and one more circle inside and color that. So eyes we did for the hen. So this is your second step. It is very easy step, no? Only one small round and inside one round and color that off. Next we'll move on to the third step. Triangle is there. Put a small circle and then one more small circle inside there. Color it. And we are going to draw the beak for the hen. So for mouth, what you have to do is from here, from this point, put a slanting line and join it here. Then again one more slanting line down. Put a slanting line and join it here. So how we did it? We put a slanting line and join. We put a slanting line and join. So 2 times you have to put slanting line and join it. So this is your third step. Next we'll move on to the fourth step. First what we saw, triangle. Then inside put a circle and one more circle and color that. Then mouth. For mouth what you should do? Put a slanting line and join. Put a slanting line and join. So after doing this, in the fourth step what you are going to learn is, we are going to draw the head for the hen. For that, put a curve. One upwards curve, then come down. Then go out, then come down. Then go out and come down and join. So this is your fourth step. How you should do? Go up from this point, go up, come in, up, come in, up, come in and join. Then hen will have legs, right? For legs you have to put 2 slanting line. This side one slanting line and this side one slanting line. So what we saw in the fourth step, this head, how to draw this, I showed you separately. So this is the fourth step. Next we'll move on to the fifth step, the last step, okay? So triangle is already there. For eyes, put one circle and inside one circle and then color it off. Then for the beak, put a slanting line and join. Put a slanting line and join. Okay. Then what we did in fourth step, we draw the head. For that, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down and join on the triangle. Okay. Then what we did, we drew the legs. For that, it is very simple. Two slanting lines you have to draw down. In this down portion, you have to draw two slanting lines. Then we are going to draw the feathers. For that, inside put a curve, one small curve, go inside, come out, go inside, come out, and go inside. So like how we did on the up, same way inside you have to draw. Then for the tail, like back also, hen will have feathers. For that, from here go out, likewise one big one you can put, then come in, go out, come in, go out, and come in. So see, this is the last step. I'll show for you one more time how to do the inside one and outside. So triangle is there, we drew the eyes, then beaks also we did, then up, go out, come in, out, come in, out, come in, and join. Then two legs we drew. Then for inside feathers, how we did, like slanting or little curve, go inside, same way come out, go inside, same way come out, and go inside and join. And on the back side, what you should do, put a curve and come inside, put a curve and come inside, put a curve and come inside. So likewise you should draw 3 times you have to draw. So 6th step you are going to do finally. One more time I'll draw, put a circle, dot inside for eyes, then for the beak, slanting line, join it, slanting line, join it. Then what we did, head we drew, put the curve, come inside, go out, come, and join. Then 2 slantings for the legs. Then inside, same way, put a curve, go inside, put a curve, go inside, put a curve, and go inside. Then on the back, like put a big curve, it should be little pointed, then come inside, go out, come inside, go out, come inside, and join here. That's it. It is very easy way to draw a hen. Okay, in the next page I drew the full diagram of hen where we are going to do the coloring work. So before that I'll highlight this one more time. Also I'm going to show you. After this, what we did? Yes, we drew the eyes. Next, what we did? We drew the beak like this one. Then up, go up, do this one, and 2 slanting lines, and 1 curve, 1 more curve, and 1 more curve. This one, and put a like downward, come like this, go up, come down, go up, come down, and join here. Then in the mouth down you can put a small curve. If you want you can put, or you do it. If you don't want, it is okay. So we are going to color the hen with red color. So take red color crayon and then color inside the hen using that. So you can use different crayons for coloring. I am showing it in one color for coloring inside. So with the red color, I am coloring the hen. So you all seen a hen, how it will be. Yes, it will be in black color, white color, red color. So these colors it will be. You can use your favorite colors, okay. Then for this mouth I am giving yellow color. Then for the feathers also I am giving the same color only. With same red I am coloring this, and on the top I am giving dark pink color. So with dark pink I am coloring its head. Then after coloring, what you should do? Yes, we should outline with our black color crayon, black sketch, black crayon, anything. So on the top you have to draw. So while giving outline, be careful. Then your drawing will not come properly if you do hurry-burry. Little slowly you should do when you are giving the outline. So see how ma'am is giving. Slowly I am giving no. Then eyes. So see how beautifully the hen came. So today what we saw how to draw a boat and hen. It is very easy, no? I hope you all will enjoy this. So I think it is an interesting drawing class. Enjoy your work and upload it. We'll meet you next class. Bye. Thank you. Have a fantastic Friday.